Hello, in this video I'm going to be turning out 2 buckets of Sharps Express, an early potato. We're going to prepare the soil for a quick turnaround to go straight back in the buckets to be used to grow some leeks. I've already got some leek seedlings ready, they're just waiting for a bucket to become available, and 2 buckets and some soil are going to become available today. So we'll go outside now, we'll turn the buckets out, we'll prepare that soil for a quick turnaround, we'll weigh the potatoes, and we're multitasking. As if that wasn't enough, we're multitasking. We've got Meg in the garden. Are you with me? Yeah, now you know Meg's there, you're with me. Come on. mix this up. I'll charge the buckets up later with it. Not on this video. Not on this video. I'll do it later. But what I am going to do, just to round the video off, I'm going to weigh those potatoes. Okay. How's that? Should be no obstructions in that soil. You saw me take them all out. And we've just added a bit more spark to it. Look at that. Look at that. Let's do it again. Okay, let's go and weigh those potatoes. Meg, we're weighing potatoes. Okay, let's see what we've got. Let's see what we've got. So these were 2 Sharps Express. I think they were in those buckets about over 13 week. I don't think it's the best of growing years this year, but it is what it is, and this is what we've got. Well, there's a pound. Yeah, there's a pound. Can we make 2 pound? Who knows? Oh, Sharps Express. 1 potato in each bucket. This is what we got in return. And we're going to reuse that soil, we're going to recycle it. We're probably going to put leeks in there. I've already fertilised it with leek and onion fertiliser, so it'll probably be leeks, but it could just as easily be celery or parsnips, anything really that can grow on through the remainder of this summer into autumn, and then it'll need to be harvested. Last one. Whoa, we're not far off there, are we? Ha ha! It's a twist! It's a twist! It's a twist! Exactly 2 pound! Well, we're happy with that. Yeah, we are. Given the type of growing year we're having at the moment, 2 pound will be okay. We have more buckets of potatoes to take, but they're late potatoes. And I actually have some potatoes growing in bags, and I'm not too sure if I'll grow in these big bags again, because I'm dreading having to try and lift them. They're getting a bit too heavy for me now. But these small 10-inch cut flower water buckets are ideal as you get older and you're perhaps not as strong as you used to be. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. I've enjoyed making it. This is Homegrown Veg, signing out.